Keith Manufacturing Company. We're located in Oregon, Madras, Oregon. We manufacture walking floor kits for trailers, 48 foot, 53 foot, sometimes 24, 28 foot, excuse me. We also manufacture what we call a walk box, which is designed for a 1-ton truck, 12 foot in length, which will accommodate a customer from having to use a 48 foot trailer to deliver or haul a split load of compost or mulch or rock, gravel, whatever. Those certain applications, for an example, will be great to use for an example I saw on a playground. Municipalities are having to haul in dump trailer loads of mulch to dump inside beside the playground equipment, where they can actually use a walk box unit to back directly right up to the playground and walk the load right into without having to use so many shovels and rakes and whatever to move the load. But those are some of the things that we do, and we work with a lot of all the major trailer manufacturing companies.